if you're following a whole food plant-based diet, you want to be cutting down on refined sugar. You want to be careful about how many processed things you're eating, and there's a lot of hidden sugar in many products that you can buy in the supermarket. So dates are a great way to add lots of sweetness to your dishes without worrying about the added sugar, because it's natural sugar. And medjool dates, this is one type of date. They're quite big, chunky dates. I put those in my smoothies every morning, and it's great because you only need one. I make a smoothie for 2 people. I put one medjool date in, and I don't need any other sweetness. I'm adding fruit, and I'm adding spinach or greens as well. But that date just really sets it off.
You can also use date powder in replacement of sugar in recipes as well. Well Your World in America makes an awesome date powder, and it's just the dates being dehydrated and then blended up. So you're getting all that fibre, all those phytonutrients, all that sweetness, and it's not refined like sugar. Dates are a good one. They're really good for kids too. So if you've got kids and they want lollies or candy or something, and you can placate the little monsters with a date, and that's good for them, and they think that it's candy.
Especially if people have a craving for sugar, because a lot of the time, if you're used to eating all the processed stuff, you're addicted to the sugar. So it's a great way to kind of transition from all that refined sugar, and just one tiny little bite, and you'll be good with that.
Yeah, they're very satisfying, aren't they? And I think that's because they do have all those added nutrients as well.